Right, so this is our system for daily sales, expenses, and profit report. As you can see, ang sample natin for this one is the month of February. So here, ito yung monthly report for February. So as you can see, meron ng details dito for February 1. We have here gross sale, expenses, purchase, net sales, investment, gross profit. Gross profit is yung tubo nyo. We also have the total online payments. The reason why I put it here is para ma-monitor nyo rin if tama ba yung hawak nyong on-hand cash and na nandito sa data nyo. So, supposedly, ito yung net sales nyo, 650. So, net sale is less all of the expenses and the purchase. So, dapat ito ang magiging total cash on hand nyo. Less yung mga online payments pa. Pero ito yung net sales nyo. So, paano ba siya gawin? So, we have here the dates for February 1, 2, 3, and 4. So, nasan ba yung mga other dates? Para makita niyo rin yung other dates, just just right click on unhide, and makita niyo na yung mga dates na nandito. Ayan. So, let's say, gusto natin maglagay ng data for February 5. So, just click on OK. Ayan. So, lipat lang natin siya dito. So, let's put item 1 as the product name. Quantity, let's say 5 pieces. Then, unit price of item 1 is 50. By the way, yung mga cells pala na naka-color ng yellow, automatic na yan na may magge-generate na data. No need to put data manually dito sa mga cells na naka-color ng yellow. So, for the selling price, let's say 180. Ay, ang laki. Let's say 80 lang. 80 pesos. I try. And for the mode of payment, may drop-down list tayo for the mode of payment. We have here cash, GCash, bank transfer, credit card, debit card, and check. So let's say cash. So for this one, if gusto nyo magtanggal ng categories dito, ang gagawin nyo lang is just right-click, unhide, then look for drop-down list. Then click on OK. So makita nyo dito, ito yung sa mode of payment. Ito yung mga categories. We also have categories for expenses, purchase, and online payments. So, if gusto nyo magdagdag or magtanggal, edit nyo lang siya dito sa drop-down list. So, i-hide ko na ulit siya. So, yeah, let's go back on February 5. So, let's put another item. As you can see, automatic na siya nag-generate dito. Okay, so let's go on item 2. Say 10 pieces, 80 unit price, selling price is 120. 10. So, for the payment, let's say GCash payment. Yan, kunyari nag-a-accept yung store nyo ng GCash payment. So, item 3, 15 pieces. By the way, applicable to sa lahat ng businesses if you want to monitor yung gross sales nyo, expenses, purchase, and also the profit. So, applicable to sa inyo. So, for the unit price, let's say 90. Selling price is 150. Then, for the payment is cash. For the expenses, let's say may food expenses kayo para sa staff. Food. Staff allowance na lang pala. Lagyan na lang natin dito staff. So, allowance niya for this day is, let's say, 100. Then, may dumating kayong stocks. say stock for item 3. Then dun sa pinakita ko sa inyong drop down list kanina na cell, puwede niyo ring i-edit dun yung names ng mga vendor niyo. So this is just a sample vendor 1 and let's say 500, yan. So ayan, eto na yung total net sale niyo for today, 3,250. And then makita niyo na rin yung profit niyo. And then total investment, ito yung puhunan niyo sa mga items na nabenta. Makikita niyo siya dito. And also, pakita ko na rin 'to, we have here total online payments para makita niyo rin kung magkano na yung benta na pumapasok sa online payments na meron kayo. Let's say, GCash, 1,2. Since 1,2 yung nilagay natin dito sa GCash, so total amount is 1,2. Okay? So 3,850 ang gross sales, automatic na siya lalabas dito sa month to date sales niyo for February 2. So as you can see, ito na yung data natin for February 5. Gross sales 3,850, expenses 100, purchase 500, net sales 3,250, investment 2,4, gross profit 1,450. And then ito yung total online payments na pumasok sa inyo. And then ito yung actual cash on hand na meron dapat kayo. The reason why I put this total cash remitted is for, minsan 'di ba may instances na short or over yung pera. So, pwede niyo siya i-note dito or ilagay. And also, gross sales, we have here total expenses, total net sales, total investment. Total gross profit is gross sales less yung uh, unit price ng item, yung pinuhunan nyo. And then for the total net profit, ito yung gross sales less the unit price less all of the expenses na nilawas nyo on your business. We also have a chart here para ma-monitor nyo din yung sales projected nyo every day. So, yun lang. So, again, for the cells na naka-color ng yellow, wala na kayong dapat galawin dito. So, once na nag-input kayo ng data dito sa mga dates na meron tayo, automatic na magkakaroon ng data dito sa month to date, month to date sales. So, para hindi kayo malito na marami ditong sheets na nakalabas, pwede nyo siyang i-hide. Yan, hide nyo lang siya. Then, ito lang, yung for today lang yung nakalabas. Okay? So, if you have any questions, just message our page.